Okay, let's talk about business reports. You know, the ones that so often end up in a digital graveyard, never to be seen again. Today, we're going to flip that script. We're going to transform that dreaded document into a powerful tool that actually gets you noticed. Let's dive in. Seriously, have you ever been there? You pour weeks of your life into gathering data, running the numbers, crafting what you think is a brilliant analysis, and then nothing. Just crickets. It just vanishes. It's so frustrating, right? But here's the thing, it really doesn't have to be this way. The problem usually isn't your data or your hard work. It's all in how you package and deliver it.
So, before we can build a report that actually works, we have to understand why so many of them fail. We need to dissect the chaos. We're going to look at the common traps and pitfalls that can sink even the most amazing work.
And what's wild is how familiar these all look. I mean, who hasn't seen a report that's just drowning in data with no clear point, or one that feels more like someone's personal opinion than an objective analysis? But the biggest one, the absolute killer, is ignoring who you're writing for. Each one of these is a landmine that can blow up all your hard work.
And this right here shows you the real-world cost. This isn't just about getting a good grade on a paper. This is a real case study. A startup's report was disorganized, it was biased, it was missing crucial information, and you know what happened? Their whole product launch failed. The stakes are incredibly high.
All right, enough with the doom and gloom. We know the problem. Now, let's get to the solution. We're officially moving from chaos to clarity, and we're going to do it with a universal blueprint, a super reliable framework you can use for pretty much any report to make sure it hits the mark, looks professional, and most importantly, gets results.
Think of these 5 things as your pre-flight checklist. Before you even type a word, just run through them. Are you being objective? Is your language simple and clear? Is this info actually relevant to the person reading it? Is it 100% accurate? And the big one, does it tell them what to do next? If you can nail all 5, you are absolutely on the right track.
You see, a great report isn't about magic. It's all about structure. And this 10-part blueprint is your roadmap. Now, they're all important, but listen, pay extra attention to that executive summary. That's for the busy boss who only has 60 seconds. And always end with strong, clear recommendations. Tell your reader exactly what to do with the information you just gave them. This whole structure just creates a logical flow that shows you respect their time.
Okay, theory is one thing, but let's see how this blueprint actually performs out in the wild. We're going to take a look at how this structure builds a truly powerful report that gets people to make decisions.
Just look at how this quarterly financial report is broken down. Every single section has a clear job to do. The executive summary? It gives the CEO the bottom line in seconds. But notice the real magic here. The findings give you the what, the raw number, the hard data. But the analysis, that explains the why. It tells the story behind the numbers. And then, bam, the recommendations give a clear path forward. That's the blueprint, working perfectly.
And this is exactly why visuals are so crucial inside that structure. You could just write, hey, revenue went up 12%. Or you could show it. This simple little bar chart makes that success pop. You get it instantly. It tells a story of growth and efficiency way better than a paragraph of text ever could.
So, there you have it. The 2 paths a report can take. On one side, you've got the startup's chaotic mess that led to total failure, and on the other, you have the structured, clear report that led to smart, profitable investments. The difference isn't just about the data you see. It's about clarity, it's about structure, and it's about focusing on insights that people can actually do something with.
Okay, let's zoom out for a second, because getting good at this isn't just about writing a better memo. It's about turning your hard work into real-world action. It's about turning your effort into actual influence.
A really great report uncovers these game-changing nuggets of information. Imagine a market analysis finds that 78% of customers prefer eco-friendly options. That one number, presented clearly in a well-structured report, can pivot an entire company's strategy. It can lead to massive success. I mean, that is the kind of power we are talking about here.
And the final payoff is just huge. When you write a good report, you create transparency. That leads to smarter planning and better decisions across the board. You get your stakeholders on board, you build your own credibility, and your whole organization can suddenly move faster and smarter. A good report is literally a catalyst for success.
And look, these skills are only getting more important. Yeah, the technology is changing. We've got AI helping us write. We have these amazing interactive dashboards. But the core principles, clarity, structure, actionable insights, they're exactly the same. The blueprint we've been talking about is the human touch that makes all this new tech actually work.
So as we wrap this up,
I want you to think about something. Your next assignment. Stop thinking of it as just a report. It's not. It's an opportunity. It's a stage for your ideas and your analysis. It's a story that's just waiting for you to tell it. So the only question left is, what story will yours tell?